All right, it's time for bed. Good night. But Mama, I'm not tired. Tell me a bedtime story. Okay, if you insist, what do you want to hear? The story of where the water came from. Again? Well, here it goes. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was just a floating molten rock and incapable of supporting water. However, all the ingredients to form water already existed. So as the Earth began to cool and the crust began to form, it became more suitable for the existence of water. This water came from things like volcanoes, because when volcanoes erupted, they released water vapor, ash, carbon dioxide, and sulfur trioxide into the atmosphere. The ash that was released increased the albedo. What's an albedo? An albedo is the extent to which sunlight is reflected by an object. Make sense? I think so. So what happened next? Well, the increased albedo caused the temperature to decrease because the sun could not reach the Earth's surface. Colder air holds less water, so the water in the atmosphere began to condense. The water, though, also interacts with carbon dioxide and the sulfur trioxide in the atmosphere, which caused acid rain to fall to the Earth. And acid rain? Don't worry, it was a good thing because the acid rain dissolved rocks and minerals on the Earth's surface. These minerals help contribute to the salinity of the ocean. Okay, good. So after the rain falls to the Earth, it runs downhill into the depressions that were created by the tectonic plates. So that's where all the water came from? No, not quite. Some of the water came from outer space. Like from aliens? No, from comets. You see, comets used to impact the Earth about 1 billion times a day. And these comets were made from rock and ice, so when they impacted the Earth, they put more water vapor and more particulates into the atmosphere, which again increased the albedo, which cooled the temperature, which caused the water to condense, and which caused water to fall to the Earth. And that is the story of where the water came from. Well, I guess it worked.